Hey guys, this clip comes from a coaching session. I had a little education moment that I thought was really impactful and helpful that I wanted to share with you. So, when I was recording it, I was wearing a green shirt and I didn't have lighting and stuff all set up. So, you're just going to see a green background. Apologize for the video quality, but the sound is fine and the meaning is really important. So, stay tuned. I was just reminded of when I kind of had this identity shift of seeing myself as this you know, sneaky rogue in the back and in the dark and just kind of a loner by myself, keeping distance and, afraid that I was poisoning people just by interacting with them and stuff. But I had this shift to seeing myself as a healer of sorts. And part of that required that I become more vulnerable, that I allow myself to be squishy or to be emotional or to show, this is me and not have my dagger, my knives, my weapons and be in the shadows and stuff like that. And that's a scary shift. But with that change in beliefs and I started learning new skills and taking different actions and I believed that like I had to be squishier, I had to be open, more vulnerable, but I also had the ability to heal myself more and to
Mhm.
heal and share that with other people. Like I had this endless reserve of mana, of healing energy and stuff that I didn't notice that I had before when I was trying to play the wrong character
Mhm.
class, the wrong type. Not that there's anything wrong with that type, but it wasn't a
Yeah.
good fit, right? And that changed everything. Like I was like I'm no longer afraid of being vulnerable or sharing or anything like that because uh specifically just as an INFP, like how we do empathy is we see the other person in their state to the best of our ability. We pattern recognize. We're like, okay, this is probably what's going on, or what they're thinking, what their intentions are, what they're feeling, and we go inward and we find that. We find that moment that we experienced that before, that
Yeah.
part of us, and then we kind of like log on to that character. We activate that, and then we understand them from
Yes.
our own experiences. Yeah, that is a very special and powerful gift, but also it requires that we see that and we take the moment to introspect, to look within us and find that part. Um, and I know most people, I was going to say can't do that, but it's probably most people won't do that or
Mhm.
aren't as skilled at it. For better or worse, we've done it a lot. Once we have that mindset of like, I am okay, I will be okay, I can help people, I've been through this. Like, I've learned, I've adapted, I've coped, I've gained skills and wisdom and experience. Then we can be vulnerable, we can be open, we can help people because we see them.